Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the fixed function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is used to round a number to a specified number of decimals. So for the purpose of this video we are going to round up this number right here. So this function contains three arguments. So the first one is simply the number that we want to round up. The second element, the second argument is the decimal. In this case, it's going to be the number of digits to the right of the decimal point. So we will want three numbers after the comma. So in this case, it's going to be 1, 2, 3. And finally, the last element is optional. So it's simply no commas. So it's a logical value that if it's true, it will prevent fixed from including commas in the returned text. So this one right here, you don't have to write it down. Well, actually, even decimals is optional, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to use it. Now, let's say I want to write this function. How exactly am I going to write it down? So pretty simple. We start with an equal sign, and we can just write down fixed. Once it's done, we can open up our parentheses, and the first element will be the number. So we can select the cell that contains our number. The second element is simply the decimal. So in this case, it's going to be 3. So we can select the cell that contains the decimals. And the last element will simply be no commas. So in our case, we will leave it at false. And just like that, I have my number right here that has been converted into a number with 3 decimals. So if, for example, I want to round it up to only 1 decimal, I can just write down 1 right here, and it has been rounded to 1 decimal. If I write down 0 or nothing, it will be rounded up to 23. If, for example, I write down 10, it will be rounded up to 10 decimals. And if I write down, let's say, 4, it will be rounded up only to 4 decimals. So this is how we use the fixed function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out the link down below with all my courses. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.